Conguillío National Park. Conguillío National Park is located in the Andes, in the provinces of Cautín and Malleco, in the Araucanía region of Chile, also known as Region Roman 9. Its name derives from the Mapuche word for water with Araucaria seeds. Among the attractions in the park are the Llaima volcano, Sierra Nevada, and wild landscapes characterized by islands of vegetation completely surrounded by vast areas of lava flows. Extensive forests, formed mainly by Aracarius and Nothofagus species, and small lakes increase the scenic beauty of the park. It is also known as Los Paraguas, the umbrellas, due to the shape of the monkey puzzle trees. The park was used as a filming location for Walking with Dinosaurs, a television series produced by the BBC. History. It was declared a national park in 1950. In 1983, the park, along with Alto Bio National Reserve, was designated by UNESCO as a biosphere reserve, which is known as Araucaria's Biosphere Reserve. The national park lies within the wider Conguillío Park. Vehicle accesses. The park is situated 120 km east of Temuco. Sector Los Paraguas. This sector is accessed via the route that connects the towns of Cajon, Vilcán, and Churquinco. The road is asphalted from Cajon to Churquinco, the rest gravel all weather, except snow days in which chains and four-wheel drive are required. Sector Conguillío. The park can be accessed from Chile Route 181, which is paved from Victoria to Cautín. To reach the park from Cautín, it is necessary to follow a road that is paved only in its first 10 kilometers, 6.2 miles, while the rest is gravel. This access route is passable year-round until the Captrin Hut, depending on snow accumulation. The rest is passable only during the summer period from November to March. This sector also via the paved road that goes from Lautaro to Cautín. The remaining stretch of road until the park entrance is the same route previously mentioned. Sector Malleco. Here is located the main park entrance, which is reached via a road that begins in Temuco and that passes through the towns of Cunco and Malleco. The road is paved until the Truffle River. The rest is gravel in fair condition and passable throughout the year to the park. Rivers and water sports. Lonquimay River flows into the Bio River. There is a fishing spot called the Truffle River, which is 25 km to the north of Malleco. It crosses the volcanic scoria and drains into Lake Conguillío, 14 km. From Malleco are the Saltos del Truffle, in a river where rainbow trout are abundant. Swimming, rowing boats and fishing are allowed, along with motorized boats. The Sierra Nevada volcano. There are 5 lookout points on the Sierra Nevada volcano. It is a long walk of 5 to 6 hours, but efforts are awarded with the panoramic view obtained from this height for the flight of the condor or the vista of the beginning point of the Blanco River. Llaima volcano. Geologic characteristics of Llaima volcano. Llaima volcano was formed during the Quaternary on lava and granites located throughout the fault system of longitudinal north-south. It is composed of mixed volcano and shield with a boiler covered with 40 accidental dragged cones and presents a secondary chimney to 9,51,444 feet above the sea level. The slope of this volcano is moderate. It is active from the superior Pleistocene and their products are mainly pyroclastose lava and andesitico-basaltic. It has an extensive history of violent eruptions of volcan and bizarre type that have left remainders of 50 meters of fine sand and volcanic capes very well specified and dregs basaltic lava. Also it presents sulfated smoker around the crater. About of the eruptions there is registry of around 37 eruptions counting of 1852. This record transforms it into one of the most active volcanoes of Chile. 2008 eruption. The last eruption of the volcano was on January 1, 2008. The park had to be evacuated, including about 150 tourists and employees of CNAF, because at 18:20 hours local time the volcano Llaima erupted. During the eruption, launched vent and solid material to 1,000 feet above the main crater, located to 3,150 meters, authorities said. Hiking options include Sierra Nevada Los Carpinteros, Los Araucarias, Los Vergentes, and Canon de Trufel. If you enter Conguillío National Park by the sector of the Captrin Lagoon, on the road from Cautín, there is a footpath that surrounds the entire lagoon, and its extension is of 1.24 miles approximately. It is a long but light walk, apt for experienced and inexperienced walkers. In the Captrin Lagoon it is possible to fish, but it is prohibited to swim or to sail in boat, since it is a sanctuary of birds and this type of intervention can affect local species that inhabit there. There is another footpath, the one of the Carpenters, 311 miles length. In this route, you will reach the Araucaria mother, a species whose trunk has a diameter of 656 feet. Flora. Coigs, rubbles, and rollies are present throughout the park. Others, like Lengus, Nures, Avellanos, Matines, Cypresses de la Cordillera, and Leux, occur in the sectors Conguillío and Trufel. Fauna. The local mammals in the area are mainly pumas, culpios, chillas, the queek kind of weasel, and the codcod wildcat. The bird species found in the park goes from a large varieties of ducks, condors, traros, eagles, and wood pigeon. Administration. The CNAF Administration Office is located in the Conguillío Lake sector. When to visit? The best time to visit the Conguillío National Park is between the spring and summer, November to March, when the climate is milder and the roads are in excellent conditions. During the winter, the conditions are perfect to visit the Arakarius Ski Center. Located in the side west of the Llaima volcano, side in opposition to the Conguillío Lake, counts with 2 tow cables, cafeteria, ski school, equipment rental and lodging in refuge.